Hey guys, I'm Danielle. Welcome to Patagonia. It's crazy, right? This is insane and beautiful. Probably one of the most beautiful places that I've ever been in my life. You have to come. Grab your book bag. Don't be scared. I'm from New York City. I don't carry book bags. I was terrified to do it, and I am so thankful I'm here. So, come with me. I'll give you a quick guide on how to conquer Patagonia. Just got to camping at Torres Del Paine, not really sure how to say it, and this is what it looks like. Whoa, and there's the mountain. We're gonna be trekking. We get vouchers. My bag's very heavy. Right now we lucked out, the weather's beautiful, but they said that it's been snowing. They say the weather changes really quickly, so we are prepared for every kind of weather. We'll see how tonight goes. I'm definitely in the party section. There's my friend Nicole. Nicole, do you have any words you want to say about our trek?
About our trek?
Yeah.
I feel really good about it.
Any thought? What do you hope to achieve from this journey?
I hope to get to Glacier Grave in time to actually kayak and then not die on the kayak.
This is our
big goals.
Yeah, big goals. So we'll be checking in, checking back, see how we're doing. Bye! So, just had my first night of sleep in Torres Del Paine, so I'm not sure how to say it. And it was good. Surprisingly warm, which is great. And then like in the middle of the night it got a little chilly, so I like opened up my hand warmers, stuck two in my sleeping bag, two in my hands, and then went back to sleep. The sleeping bags that Fantastico Sur provides is surprisingly really, really warm. So did wake up to the sound of nature, which was great. And I guess if I could give any advice, I would say maybe bring earplugs, because you could still hear other campers snoring so loud through their tents. But it all worked out. It was good. On to the first day trek. All right, so we're going off. See you soon. So, just got to El Chileno. The hike wasn't that bad. It was like, all of a sudden we were here. So, 2-hour hike from Torres Del Paine, still doing it. And this is where I'm staying. It's on a plank. They're all kind of on planks, if you can see. Cool, right? So yeah, so now we're gonna go hike for another 4 hours. See you then. Hiking from El Chileno.
The video?
Yeah.
I thought it was like posing.
Okay, we did it! Yay! Woo! After hiking from
Torres Del Paine Central camping
to
El Chileno. Then we took this hike up here to El Mirador del Paine. Look at it. Whoa! Selfie stick. So beautiful. Look at the water. Look at the mountains. Look at us in heaven. Woo! So, day 2 in the tent. We have a 5-hour hike, so let's see how we do. Ah! Another beautiful day in Patagonia. So here we are, beautiful views of the lake, stream, life. Any words? No, I'm lost for words.
It's been a great day. We've been marching today, which has helped us keep good pace.
Yes, left, right, left. All right, we'll see you guys in El Cuerno. So right now we're doing the hike from El Chileno to El Cuerno, and as you can see, it's unbelievable. Hey guys! Hey! We made it here at El Mirador Británica. Woo! It only took, let me look,
5.5 hours.
Woohoo! It's beautiful! Avalanche! Here is my humble abode at Los Cuernos. I got a platform. Looking good. "6:40 a.m. here in Patagonia, and we are off for our big 8.5-hour hike to Glacier Gray. It's raining a little bit. Beautiful though, and a little bit of a slow start this morning. The rain sounded so nice on my tent. I wanted to sleep in, and anyway, hopefully I make it. We got a 2.5-hour kayak excursion after this 8.5-hour hike. We'll check in. See you guys. All right, we're hiking. How you feeling?
Feeling good. Lower back, a little painful.
A little painful with our sacks. Bit windy out here in Patagonia. Whitecaps on the lake out there. But God, it's a gorgeous day. Woo! We are now trekking to Glacier Gray. Bit windy here today. Woo! Woo! So windy. Whitecaps on the lake. Woo! Okay, so we just hiked Glacier Gray. What'd you guys think? Everyone's a little tired. We're on day, what day are we on? 6?
Yep.
This is it. We have one more hike before we catch a catamaran. And then we hike to our hostel. We're tired, but we're doing it! Woo, woo, woo.
There goes our boat.
Oh no, there goes our boat. So, I think I forgot to take a video of the camping site at Glacier Gray, but basically it was an awesome tent. It was so windy. It was so windy and rainy. They said it was the windiest day they've had all year. And I felt very warm. I brought some hand warmers, so I would definitely bring that if I were you. Then we had to bust move because we have to catch a catamaran out of here. So we're hiking. Last day. Woo-woo!
So hopefully you have a little bit of insight about how amazing this is. It's totally possible to do on your own. It's totally possible to do camping. I'm a huge wuss. I hate being cold. I don't like being wet, and I wasn't any of those things. I had the most amazing time. So hope this video helps you. Bye.